Welcome to this channel once again, Mechanical Motive. So I want to be showing you how we can actually use ChatGPT to get the prompt for the ebook cover you want to create. So anytime you want to create ebook cover, you can just come to this ChatGPT, give it a description, and then you can just tell it to write the prompt on it. Or another way you can still do it is that you can probably check through some people's book cover, the ones that you saw online. That's very good. And then probably the best-selling books online. You can actually check it, download the cover, or screenshot it, and then come to ChatGPT. Paste it there. That should give you exactly how it was being designed. That is the prompt. I should write a prompt on it, so that you can just, after it has written the prompt for you, you can just write or edit it. So by just editing it, you get an image for your own book cover design. Or another way you can still get this now is probably you should just go to Canva. If you have a Canva app, or website in your phone. But right now I want to be showing you how you can generate the design you need for the book cover right now on this ChatGPT now. So probably now we're using Canva to get an example of the design. So you can just see I just typed ebook cover. So type it. So you can see the different kind of book cover we have here. So for example, maybe we can just choose I think I love this one right here, the spotlight resources. So we leave it to load. By using this, you must have a active data connection. So now I can just download this design or even screenshot it. For example, this one is a pro template. So but I'm in for pro right here, so that's why I can download it. So if you can't download any pro design, you can just simply go for a free one or you screenshot it. So I click on download now. So PNG. Okay, now the design is saved to my gallery now. You could see I've downloaded it already. So let me go back to my Canva, to my ChatGPT. I want it to generate a prompt for me on the book. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to upload the image of the book. So by clicking on photo, I think this one is just so easy. A lot of people know how to use ChatGPT now these days. So the recent pictures will be shown here. You click on it. So I select it and add, click on add. So what I'm going to do to it now is that I can just write, give me the prompt for this. We can just say poster, or we can even tell it that is an ebook cover. We can just add to it so that I can edit it to my own copy. So we send it. We are going to see what it's going to do now. So now, it says here's a detailed prompt you can use to recreate and edit this poster ebook image generator while keeping it flexible for your own taste. So you can see it gives me the prompt of the book. So it's been shown here. So it says it creates realistic 3D image of it even give me the image of this money. You can see that it's in 3D. So I can just copy this prompt right now. So by copying it now, I paste it here. So but before I do that, let me just give it that I want to write. Or probably today is not the time to be giving ChatGPT a question for it to answer for you the story or the book you are going to write on. So because of we are just using this process now to generate ebook cover. So we are not going to the process of writing a book. So that is not for today. So now what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to paste this prompt right back in this place. So by doing that now, all this one that is there, I cancel it, I remove it out from there. And then I come to this place. 5, the spotlight to success is this one. Let me say the 7 keys. The 7 keys to success. Okay, written that, I can just come here and then add a motivational subtitle smaller. I can say this one to be consistency, builds kingdom. I can say hardworking, eliminate or could eliminate poverty, not comfort zones. So I think that one is okay. So at the bottom, I want to include my own name now. You can just repeat this one. I place my name there now. Daniel Kundari. in this place right here, it says a Crepes realistic 3D image of $100. So I can just remove this one. I don't want to put money there now. So I can just say an image of a tree, a golden tree. A golden tree appears in the lower center, so slightly titled upward as if catches spotlight. So the overall design is clean, minimal. I don't need to change that one. So now I can now paste it there. But before that, I need to cut this one out also. So it can just start from the place that it says prompt. So I can just say generate the image of this prompt. So wow, the image has been generated already. It has been generated. Wow, beautiful. But the thing right here in this AI, right, in just seeing AI is that they are not still that perfect. So you can see that this subtopic right here, working code, eliminate poverty, not convert songs. You can see that it's not well placed where it's supposed to be, and then even the alignment is not so good. So it's a thing that we can edit using Pixellab. You don't need to own your data by using it. Once you save the image, once you save it right here, just go and upload it there. There's a video on this page that you can just see how you can make use of Pixellab. But I think I should just briefly show that also why in the course of this video. And then downside, in the down part right here also, there used to be the watermark of ChatGPT here, so you can still cover the thing up with that same square. So that's it. So I'll quickly be using the app Pixellab to quickly edit the image. So one of my video right here, I've showed the introduction how you can make use of Pixellab. So you can just watch it. Pixellab together with a post on my wall. So Pixellab is a free and an offline app that I can use to edit most any graphics, including 3D or 2D. So now this is the template that you made there. So now I will just click on this place right here, this down part. So I click on it. So by clicking on it, it brings all this one. So I can just pick from gallery so as to export the image. So don't worry about the size of this place right now. It looks somehow not the size of the image you want to upload. Immediately you upload the image, to correct it by itself. So from gallery, so I click on it from gallery. So the recent image will stay right here. So I click on it. So you can see now that it's actually resized itself. So the next thing for us to do now is to click on this downside that looks like a setting. This downside over here. So by clicking on it now, we click on shape. So we pick the shape, the square shape. So I place this one right here at this place. I could even stretch it like this. So what I do now is that I pick a color for it right here. So I click on the plus sign. So at this top side over here, that is where the color picker is. So by clicking on it now, you can pick the exact color on the flyer at that section. You can pick it to it so as for it to make use of it. So now I've selected the color already. So and then the color is there. So I click on mark. So you can see that it's looked perfect. So now there's a thing I can do also with it. I copy it. So as for me to paste it on top of this ChatGPT. So you can see now it's also gone. Or probably I select it. I pick the right color for it. The right color for that part using the color picker I just showed you now. So we pick it to that side. Color picker. We click on mark up here. Click on OK, and then we place it right there back. So it's gone already. You can see how it does not even look as if something was there before. So I quickly edit the next thing over there. So I think what was there was hardworking code, eliminate poverty, not comfort zone. So I can click on this test at this place, this small capital letter T and small letter T, for me to place it in capital letter. The test is in capital letter right now. So I click on OK. So by clicking on OK, I can just resize it by clicking on this dot, the circle, the white circle dot. So now for me to put the color now, I've explained it before. So you are just going to select this one right here, click on the color picker, place it on top of the test, So now we want to place the test over the back. So you can see it's staying under the square shape. So what we just need to do is to click on this one right here. It says to front. So we are going to bring it to front by clicking on it. So now it's at the front. So I'm done with the editing now. So what we just need to do is to save. So you see the save button up right here. So that's the save button. So we are clicking on it. We save as image. We save as PNG. Make sure we place it on ultra. So save to gallery. So by placing it on ultra, the picture we have the best quality. So now it's saved. So another thing that I want us to know is that we can also use it too. A offline tool in this place is called Snapseed. So this is it here, Snapseed. So by using it now, we use it to pop up the graphics. I click on image, the recent pictures, the one in Pixellab to show forth. So now this is it already. So this is the last edit. The way I edited some images. So I click on last edit. it changed it totally. So I don't think I need that. So right here down here, you see pop. So that's what I'm going to click now. Pop. Right, we are going to pop up the image now. So you can see the difference now. So now this was the former one of low quality. Somehow this is the new one now. You can even see that the light is reflecting more now, even on the test that we placed there. So we're going to click on mark for you to see this was the former one, this is the new one. So and then again, if you feel that it's not where it popped enough, you can still do the same process again, pop again. Yes, we still pop up it that will even look more than what it is before. So I think this one is even more okay. This was the former one, this was the recent one now. I think if you don't want it, we click on cancel. So because if you want it, we click on pop, and then so I don't want that black side to be showing more. So I just click on export, and then we save our image also. So what I'll be doing now is to go to my Chrome. So I only need the data now. Now you go to DIYBookCover.com. First in DIYBookCover, you can just click on your search and then let it search. So you can see this is it. This is it. And then it's the first one over here. And then this is their logo. Something like color blue. A book like color blue, and then the star, which is like yellow or gold color over there. So it's the one that is going to do like the magic right now. So now the first thing here you are seeing, it says DIY book design, and then we can see the menu bar over here. We don't need a menu bar here. So what we need now, it says free book cover, mockup, the 3D book cover creator you'll love to use. So the first step is step 1 here, which is choose a 3D mockup. So below are the mockups. You can see the mockups, different types. You can even put it the image in form, like you place it inside the tablet, and then even in the phone, and then you can see different types in this place, different types. So one thing I want you to know is that you can use the image to generate a single type. So this side, it says single, and then this other side, it says composite. So composite, I'm clicking on it now, is going to give you more than one mockup types. So you can see the book type together with the tablet type, the book, the tablet, the phone, and then you can see different types. So because of this video, we are going to be generating like the 2 types. So now we are going to click on the single now. So we are going to be selecting one out of these. So I select the second one here. So by selecting it, you click on next. So by clicking on next now, we go and select the image that we've already edited by clicking on browse. So I've selected the image. So you are going to click on upload. Remember to click on upload. After you select the image. So by clicking on upload now, you can now see the image already 100% has been uploaded 100%. So the next thing for you to do now is to click on next. So we click on next. So you can see this is the book. This is the image. So now what it's saying now is that the 3D image is ready. So for us to download it now, I think we should select one of these two, either PNG or JPG. So now I select PNG. So by selecting PNG now, it will download. Now you can see up here that it has downloaded already. It's quite downloaded. Then we can see that the MB is not even that much. So you can see that it has been downloaded already. So now I can even download the one for JPG. So you click on it, by clicking on it, it's like you click on download already. So already it has been downloaded. So let's check it here. Wow. You can see, wow, this is so good. So the magic has been done already. And then it will be so neat, very neat. You can see, wow. So maybe probably you can attach your own background to it if you need any other background. So now I said we'll be generating the one for composite, like the ones together. So you are going to click on this. You're going to back all the process. So you click on composite right now. So I think we should be selecting this one right here. So I select it now. The same process you can use to generate any of the 3D mockup types that you see under the same process. So by clicking it, I said you scroll up now, you just click on next. The image since it's the same image that we'll still be using, it has been uploaded already. You click on next, you click on one of the two, is either PNG or JPG. So I click on PNG. So it will download again for us right now. Now our mockup, our 3D book cover is ready. It's ready. So I'm just going to show you in the gallery, in my gallery right here.